second thing we have here is something I've never even heard of before, called oca.
Oca,
What is
South
oca?
American vegetable, an Inca vegetable.
Okay.
Absolutely amazing. One of my favorites. They're actually related to the sorrel family.
Right.
Do you know the wood sorrel? It's a lovely lemon-tinged trifoliate leaf, like the clover a bit. They have the same leaf. So very beautiful looking plant. Grows only to that height, roughly. And it has beautiful yellow flowers later on in the summer. So you put them in and you cook them just like potatoes. They have a bit of a lemony flavour to it.
And spaced about
A foot apart, so a bit more.
Foot apart.
Yeah.
right there.
The beautiful thing with those are they're neutral crops, Michael. They're not related to any other
So
vegetables.
you can throw them in anywhere.
So you can throw them in. You know, when you talk about rotation, anywhere that suits.
That's our oca or oca.
Yeah.
I didn't know what that was.
Yeah, Oxalis tuberosum, related to our native wood sorrel. Do you know that? The
It
plant you
certainly
find.
tastes like sorrel.
Did you taste the leaf there?
It has that nice sort of.
How do you know it's not
lemony-
poisonous? You can eat the
Just
leaves.
saw you eating one a minute ago.
Very refreshing and very good when you're thirsty.
And do the tubers have that sort of lemony taste as well?
They do have a hint of that, yeah.
Okay,
But
wow.
you boil them
Yeah.
shortly for 15 minutes, maybe just.
So they're basically like a small potato, really.
Yeah,
isn't it? That
very
sort of
small
size.
potato.
Okay, and do we have to do anything with them?
No, we can earth them up a little bit,
Yeah.
dragging soil around there. Otherwise, you just leave them. Don't be tempted even to look at them
Okay.
before the frost has knocked off the leaves.
Oh, I see.
So the first touch of frost, you know when your garden was frosty, when the oca leaves are dead, from one day to the other they fall over, and only then.
And they don't need any feeding, or there's
No,
no real pest to
definitely
worry
not.
about.
No pest at all. So if you only had oca instead of potatoes, we had no worries in life.
Okay, Klaus, we're here digging up one of your pet crops, really.
Absolutely, the crops from the Incas,
Yeah.
the oca. So I'm always looking forward to that. And,
Okay.
I waited for you now to do it. I could have done it earlier. The main growth is at the end of the year, so make sure that you wait for the first frost to knock down the leaves.
Okay.
Don't harvest them before. Well, we were lucky now this year that it wasn't too cold and too frosty. You're better off digging them out and store them in sand.
Yeah.
So that's a red variety now of oca. There's different types. There's white ones, there's red ones, speckledy ones. They're all planted the same way. Now we pick out every one, even the small ones. Otherwise they might regrow here next year and I don't want them on that spot again. So for cooking them, you could roast them, you can make them into soup,
Yeah.
or just eat them, boil them and eat them like that.
Lovely. Be looking forward to them.
Yeah.